Are you tired of feeling like you're always stuck in the friend zone? Do you want to learn the secrets of seducing any woman you desire? Well, today is your lucky day, my friend. I'm going to share with you 6 psychological tricks that will help you win over any woman you desire. Now, before we dive into these tricks, I want to make one thing clear. Seduction is not about manipulating or tricking women. It's about creating a genuine connection and attraction between two people. These tricks are simply tools to help you build that connection and attraction. The first trick is to use humor and wit to disarm her. Women love a man who can make them laugh and feel good. So make sure to keep the conversation light and fun, and inject humor whenever you can. The second trick is to use flattery strategically. Women love compliments, but they can also see through insincere flattery. So be specific with your compliments and make sure they're genuine. For example, "I love your smile" is better than "you're so beautiful." The third trick is to mirror her body language. This means subtly mimicking her posture, gestures, and expressions. This creates a sense of rapport and connection between you two and makes her feel more comfortable around you. The fourth trick is to use appropriate touch. Touch is a powerful tool for building attraction and intimacy, but it needs to be used judiciously. Start with light touches on the arm or shoulder and pay attention to her response. If she pulls away or seems uncomfortable, back off. The fifth trick is to keep her on her toes with your unpredictability. Women love a man who is confident and in control, but also unpredictable and exciting. So mix things up with unexpected compliments, playful teasing, and sudden changes of subject. And finally, the sixth trick is to make her feel special by creating unique experiences. Take her to a place she's never been before, or plan a surprise date that caters to her interests. By creating a unique experience, you'll make her feel like she's one of a kind and increase her attraction to you. Now, I know what you're thinking. These tricks sound too good to be true. Do they really work? Well, let me tell you, my friend, they absolutely do. I've personally used these tricks to seduce countless women, and I'm confident they'll work for you too. But here's the thing. You can't just rely on these tricks alone. You still need to be your charming self and bring your A game to the table. Seduction is an art, and like any art form, it takes practice to master. That's why I always recommend that my students practice their seduction skills on a regular basis. And what better way to practice than by going out and meeting new people? You don't have to go to fancy clubs or bars to meet women. Just go to places where people are socializing and strike up a conversation. Remember, practice makes perfect, and the more you practice, the more confident you'll become in your seduction skills. So get out there, have some fun, and let the magic happen. And finally, I just want to remind you that these tricks are not a magic formula. They're just tools to help you connect with women on a deeper level. And at the end of the day, it's all about being yourself and finding someone who likes you for who you are. So go out there, be confident, use humor and flattery, mirror her body language, be appropriate with your touch, and keep her on her toes with your unpredictability. And who knows, maybe you'll find that special someone who will make all your seduction efforts worth it. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on how to become a master seducer.